ready to unleash your creative vision without spending a dime. Midjourney's amazing, but it isn't free. But in this video, we are exploring methods to use Midjourney-like tools completely free, empowering you to experiment with AI image generation without breaking the bank. Midjourney used to offer free trials. Keep an eye on their website because these things can change, and they might offer free access again in the future. Always check their current plans. Let's dive into some awesome alternatives. First up, Leonardo AI. This platform offers a generous free tier, giving you a daily allowance of tokens to generate images. Simply create an account, and you can start crafting prompts. Experiment with different models, resolutions, and styles to see what you can create. Next up is Stable Diffusion. While it can be run locally on your computer, that requires some technical setup. A simpler way is to use free online platforms that host Stable Diffusion. Many websites offer a web interface for Stable Diffusion, often with a limited number of free generations per day. Search for free Stable Diffusion online to find one that suits you. Each platform has its strengths. Leonardo AI often excels at creating art with a stylized look, while Stable Diffusion is incredibly versatile, capable of generating photorealistic images and much more. The best way to find the perfect free solution for you is to experiment, play around with different prompts, models, and settings on each platform. Now, go forth and unleash your creativity. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tips.